inevitability of human conflict. In fact, at the beginning of Hindustan Ki Qasam, he invokes Lord Krishna to speak to Arjun once again.
और फिर कृष्ण ने अर्जुन से कहा, न कोई भाई, न बेटा, न भतीजा, न गुरु, एक ही शक्ल उभरती है हर आईने में। आत्मा मरती नहीं, जिस्म बदल लेती है। धड़कन इस सीने की जा छुपती है उस सीने में। जिस्म लेते हैं जन्म, जिस्म फना होते हैं। जिस्म लेते हैं जन्म, जिस्म फना होते हैं। और जो एक रोज फना होगा वो पैदा होगा। एक कड़ी टूटती है, दूसरी बन जाती है। खत्म ये सिलसिला है जिंदगी, फिर क्या होगा?
पूरन, तुमने गीता पढ़ी है?
नहीं सर।
अरे पढ़ी तो हमने भी नहीं, लेकिन सुना है कि उसमें लिखा है कि जिंदगी में सबसे बड़ी चीज है कर्म, यानी कि अमल। एक्शन जॉन एक्शन।
यस सर।
ये बात हमने एक मुसलमान शायर की नज़म से सीखी है। अच्छा देर हो रही, चलो।
सर वो शायर क्या कहता है, जरा हमें भी सुनाइए ना सर, प्लीज सर।
अच्छा एक मिनट है। साथियों, दोस्तों, हम आज के अर्जुन ही तो हैं। हमसे भी कृष्ण यही कहते हैं कि जिंदगी सिर्फ अमल, सिर्फ अमल, सिर्फ अमल। और ये बेदर्द अमल सुलह भी है, जंग भी है। अमन की मोहिनी तस्वीर में है जितने रंग, उन्हीं रंगों में छुपा खून का एक रंग भी है। जंग रहमत है कि लानत, ये सवाल अब ना उठा। जंग जब आ ही गई सर पे तो रहमत होगी। दूर से देख न भड़के हुए शोलों का जलाल, इसी दोज़ख के किसी कोने में जन्नत होगी। साथियों, दोस्तों, हम आज के अर्जुन ही तो हैं।
जंग रहमत है कि लानत, ये सवाल अब न उठे। जंग जब आ ही गई सर पे तो रहमत होगी, तो रहमत होगी। दूर से देखो न भड़के हुए शोलों का जलाल, किसी दोज़ख के किसी कोने में जन्नत होगी, तो जन्नत होगी। जन्नत है अपनी मंजिल आसमान की कसम, न झुकेगा सर वतन का हर जवान की कसम। हिंदुस्तान की कसम, हिंदुस्तान की कसम।
By the mid-70s, Navketan was celebrating its silver jubilee, 25 years of outstanding, beautiful films in Hindi cinema. And at this time, to honor this silver jubilee, Dev Saab requested Chetan Saab to make a film for Navketan. Chetan Saab agreed. He and Dev Saab made Jaane Man.
राणा गुलबहार सिंह, नेकी निवास, मालाबार हिल।
मेरे पास पैसे हैं, टिकट काट दो।
पहले पहुंचाऊंगा, फिर पैसे लूंगा।
आप बहुत अच्छे हैं।
A remake of one of the great hits of Navketan, Taxi Driver. And then Chetan Saab requested Dev Saab to act in a film for his production house, Himalaya Films. The film, Saab Bahadur, another remake of Afsar. It's very interesting to note that in Jaane Man, after a gap of many years, Chetan Saab used an outside leading lady, Hema Malini, one of the great stars of that time.
Yes, I have a very fond memories of working with Chetan Saab in Jaane Man. When Dev Saab told me that he is going to produce in Navketan Films Jaane Man and it will be directed by Chetan Saab, I was so thrilled. I was actually waiting to work with him. He is such a great director. I had seen many of his old films. I was very fascinated the way he had taken those films. One of the films was Heer Ranjha and Haste Zakham and all. A lovely director, very poetic, very romantic, and I found him very romantic by nature also while working with him.
बिना इजाजत अंदर कैसे चले आए? मैं तुमसे बात कर रही हूँ।
गुस्ताखी के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ। मैं आपको देखकर पल भर के लिए चकाचौंध हो गया था।
ऐसी गुफ्तगू तो सिर्फ रात की महफिल में मुनासिब है।
दरअसल मुझे यकायक ऐसे लगा कि मैंने आपको कहीं देखा है। संतो, बंतो की उम्र क्या है?
हम जोड़ियां हैं। कहीं मिली?
यूं ही पूछा। हो सकता है कहीं चली गई हो और देर से लौटे या ना लौटे। हो सकता है किसी कारण बुरे रास्ते पर पड़ गई हो और तुमसे मिल जाना चाहे।
मेरी बहन के बारे में ऐसा नहीं बोलना, ऐसा कभी सोचना भी नहीं। बंतो अगर बुरे रास्ते पर पड़ गई तो मैं उसका गला घोंट दूंगी या जहर खा लूंगी। कोई उसके बारे में बुरी बात न कहे।
Though I had played Sita Gita before that, this Santo Banto had a completely, totally a different shades he made me do, and I think I was very good in that film.
मैं तेरी तारीफ करूं, ये मेरे बस का काम नहीं। जाने मन, जाने मन, जाने मन, जाने मन।
Qudrat, Chetan Saab's last released film, which came out in the early 80s, was also in many ways full of firsts for Chetan Saab. It was the first time that he worked with a multi-star cast, and what stars he had in that film. He repeated Rajesh Khanna, he repeated Rajkumar, Priya of course was there, Hema Malini was back again, and Vinod Khanna, who was a superstar at that time, was also very much in Qudrat. It was the first time that Chetan Saab dealt with the theme of reincarnation.
मत जाओ, तुम मत जाओ।
ये देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाया हूँ।
तुम्हें याद नहीं?
क्या?
हम मिले थे कभी यहाँ।
उस दिन
से पहले, बहुत पहले। ये तुमने लिखा था, ये तुमने दिया था। आओ मेरे साथ।
कहाँ?
जहाँ हम तुम मिले थे, याद नहीं? मैं तुम्हारे इंतजार में बैठी थी। माधव, मेरे वास्ते?
नहीं, मैं पहनूंगा इसे।
We worked in a film called Qudrat also. There also we formed a very good rapport between both of us. So he used to bring out the right thing in me. In that also almost I did a double role. One was a village woman who's living in mountains. Pahadi ladki ka role tha. And the way she speaks, he made me do exactly, and I used to copy him, and it came out very well.
ये मिठा होता है।
क्या?
ये
कौन कहता है मीठा होता है?
साहब, मीम साहब को।
क्या बोलना?
अंग्रेजी में बोला स्वीट मतलब मीठा होता है।
ये तो फीका है।
ये मिठा है।
झूठा।
तेरे लिए ये मिठा है, मेरे लिए ये मिठा है। देख।
ए माधव, कोई देख लेगा।
ठहर।
मीठा नहीं है.
And in a way, in this film, it was like Chetan Saab was being reborn himself. I was fortunate to act in that film. And what I remember of the shoot, especially the shoot in Shimla, was how content and how almost happy Chetan Saab felt, even though he was dealing with a very commercial setup. He was at ease, he was happy, he was confident, he was almost glowing. And I remember we were shooting a sequence where my character is getting married at the church in Shimla, there on the Mall. Beautiful shot. We come out of the church there on the Mall, and as we come out, and you can see it in the shot, it begins to snow. It was as if God was blessing Chetan Saab, that your time has come now to finally shine in all the ways you wish to. Ironically, Chetan Saab won a Filmfare Award for this film also, but not as the best director, but for the best story. Param Veer Chakra, India's highest military award. This was the title of Chetan Saab's final patriotic effort, made in 1890, but this time for the small screen, for the television screen. In Param Veer Chakra, Chetan Saab had the pleasure of working with both of his sons. Ketan Anand, the older son, assisted in direction and also directed several of the episodes of Param Veer Chakra. And Chetan Saab's younger son, Vivek, handled the camera for all 15 episodes. In Param Veer Chakra, Chetan Saab worked with many of the young artists of that time. And one of the episodes of Param Veer Chakra took a 75-year-old Chetan Saab back to Ladakh. And when he got there, he was delighted and he was honored to learn that one of the Indian Army grid points was named Haqiqat Hill in honor of Chetan Saab's film. And while he was shooting for Param Veer Chakra, at Haqiqat Hill, a special luncheon was arranged in Chetan Saab's honor. He was greeted with a full army guard. And during that luncheon, he was made an honorary member of that corps. There are so many lovers of Hindi cinema that remember him as an actor from the film Kala Bazaar.
गिन लीजिए, पूरे 5000 हैं। पहचाना?
हाँ, तो ये भी शायद कोई नई चाल है।
जी, एक वो चाल थी कि बुरे रास्ते से भिखारी से लखपति बनना चाहता था, और एक ये चाल है कि अच्छे रास्ते से लखपति से भिखारी बनना चाहता हूँ। सोचा वो बुरी चाल आपसे शुरू हुई थी, अच्छी चाल भी आप ही से शुरू होनी चाहिए। मैं अपने आप को गुनहगार समझता हूँ और अपने गुनाहों की सजा भुगतने को तैयार हूँ।
क्या तुम समझते हो कि इतना सुनने के बाद मैं तुम्हें पुलिस के हवाले कर दूंगा? मैं तो तुम्हें सर आंखों पर उठा लेना चाहता हूं। भगवान करे जो तुम काम करना चाहते हो उसमें सफल रहो। जाओ। और अगर मैं ये साबित कर दूं कि पिछले 6 महीने में उस अड्डे का किराया रघुवीर ने नहीं तुमने दिया है, और पिछले 6 महीने से रघुवीर उस अड्डे पर गया भी नहीं, तो घबराने की कोई बात नहीं। मुमकिन है तुम उसे अड्डे पे नहीं, उसे घर पे मिलते रहे। जी हाँ, घर पे मिलता रहा। जरा सा झूठ बोल गए।
Kala Bazaar was directed by Vijayanand, and it gave a chance for all 3 Anand brothers, that is Dev Saab, Goldie Saab and Chetan Saab, to act together. Another very interesting fact which many people don't know is that when Chetan Saab came to Bombay at the time of the Chambari at 41 Pali Hill, he in fact made his debut as a hero in a film opposite Nargis, film directed by the very famous director of that time, Fani Mazumdar. Unfortunately, the film never saw the light of day, but there was Chetan Saab beginning his career in filmdom as an actor. And this love for acting, this acting bug, stayed with him right until the end.
मैं तो केवल सेवा ही कर सकता हूँ राजन, वो मेरा धर्म है।
कोई ऐसा उपाय करो भिक्षु कि हमारे मन को शांति मिले।
शांति का घूंट पिलाया जा सकता देवी, तो मैं आपको पिला देता। शांति फूल के समान भेंट की जा सकती, तो मैं आपको भेंट कर देता। शांति कोई ऐसी वस्तु तो है नहीं जिसे कहीं बाहर से लाकर मन में डाल दिया जाए, वो तो अंदर ही उत्पन्न होती है।
भाटिया, वो नए किस्म का रेडार इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, उससे हमारा बड़ा नुकसान हो रहा है।
हाँ मुझे मालूम है, तनेजा एक दो और स्टेशन कमांडर्स ने भी यही रिपोर्ट दी है, लेकिन तुम बिल्कुल फिक्र मत करो, मैं इसका पता ढूंढ निकालूंगा।
हाँ, मगर जब तक इस रेडार को ढूंढकर खत्म नहीं कर दिया जाता, नुकसान होता ही रहेगा।
पता चलते ही तुम्हें खबर कर दूंगा। ऑल द बेस्ट।
And yet he has a certain edge to him. You can see it in his eyes and in his face in Anjali. An edge which says, I am acting, I'm very good at acting, but maybe what I really am deep down is a director. In 1996, the West came back to the East. Cannes was celebrating its golden jubilee, 50 years. And they wanted to screen Neeche Nagar, which had won the Best Film Award in 1946 at Cannes, and to have that film's director, Chetan Saab, be there for that momentous occasion. Unfortunately, ill health did not allow Chetan Saab to travel to Cannes. So Cannes sent a special team right here to this shack to interview Chetan Saab. A circle is completed. In 50 years, Chetan Saab was fulfilled.
Of course, it was a great experience working with such great directors. Who gets this kind of an opportunity to work with such lovely directors? So sensitive he was, so adjustable, adjusting to every artist, and at the same time he was quite strict about what he wanted. So we rarely get directors like that to work today. And if he was alive, maybe even my daughter, I would love her to work with him. Under his guidance, I'm sure she would have really made a big name.
Well, a true original, an aristocrat, a man who perhaps had the privilege of having the two cultures in his hand, the Hindu culture, the Islamic culture, the man who came from the Punjab. I remember when I made an entry into the world of movies in the early 70s, even my seniors like Raj Khosla would talk with a different reverence towards Chetan Saab. He is a true original and a well-read, wise man, a sage amongst us. A man who lived his life on his own terms, sang his songs and passed away.
I like my brother Chetanam to be with me, who died. I think I learned a lot from him in my early career. And I used to go and see him when I was dying. He was on his deathbed. I couldn't talk to him. If I could spend a day with him and just ask him a few things, brother to brother.
Chetan Saab's final desire was to make a film on partition, a subject very, very close to his heart. He'd worked very hard on the script. He'd even begun the casting. And the great poet Nida Fazli and the music director Adesh had recorded 6 songs for this film to be produced by Bharat Shah. But it was too late. In July of 1997, Chetan Anand breathed his last. A life completed, but a talent that only half bloomed.
When you have traveled across the twilight zone of pain, when you have felt the pulse of life deep within, when you have looked through the open door of death, smiled, and turned your back on it, then you have seen the sunrise over the mountain of life and stood on the summit of courage. And so shall you dissolve into the sea of silence, to be one with the timeless sound of creation.
Sare gama pada ni da pada mada ba, pada ni da pada ni da, da 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 ni da 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 ba 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 ma 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 ga 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 re sare gama ba ma ga ba ga, re gama pada ni da ba, pada ni da pada mada ba ni da pada mada ba ma ga re gama ma ma ga re ga. Sare gama pada ni da ni da re